My name is Tiago Mestre. I'm a Portuguese artist. I'm an architect also, and I've been living in Brazil for the last 9 years. Well, my practice with visual art, it started mainly with painting some years ago, like 10 years ago, and slowly has been shifting a little bit to sculpture, but my work really happens in the shows I do. So there's always like kind of a set or a spatial aspect that brings together several works and can mount a discourse about it. I've started always also looking very carefully to the idea of decoration and ornament that we can find in architecture, very much in London, connected with Victorian period. So many of the works that I've been doing here in this studio, they deal very much with these details of architecture that kind of bring together nature and human hand, but that they're limited to an architectural program and to a cultural program.